Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. If you're old, you're super welcome, guys. And guys, I hope you're all having a beautiful week. If you are, to God be the glory. So guys, today these pictures you're seeing on the screen have brought a lot of issues between Nengi and Erica. I don't know why people keep joining these two together, but I'm very happy at the reply that Erica and Nengi gave to those people that came to drag them. So in the course of it, you're going to be hearing that you can see the video of Erica and the makeup artist, the lady that used to make Nengi up and all of that. So due to this makeup that Erica did, some Nengi's fans were not happy. They came and started saying all sorts of things, calling Erica names, that she's following Nengi, she's monitoring Nengi. Anything that Nengi does, she also wants to do. Wherever Nengi goes, she also wants to go. He became out of it all. She was like, what kind of things, what kind of talk is these people talking? Why are they saying all of these things? Why are they trying to hit our heads together? I cannot fold my arms and allow them do this to us. It wasn't just about that, about the online influencing that Nengi won over Erica. Erica didn't take it personal, neither did Nengi take it personal and say, okay, I won this over you, so this is it, I am better than you, or you are better than me. Or did Erica say, I am better than you, this and that, go, I got the highest fan base, or whatsoever? None of them was bothered, because whether you be online influencer or super Nollywood actress, so it's nobody's business. It's your personal thing. Do you get? My people, I hope you understand me. It's a personal thing. Everyone is striving to become a better person in future. Yes. Okay, why did Erica not come and say, I've been acting since? Okay, Nengi, you want to come and copy me, that's why you want to join the movie industry. Yes, if you want to counter that, let's look at it in that direction, because Erica has been acting since she was a teenager, and then Nengi, as it was after the Big Brother Nigeria that she came into acting, that she has aspiration for acting, but she didn't have the opportunity. But so Big Brother was more like a platform to open her up, to open that door up for her. So why didn't Erica say, or Erica's fans come out and say, or let's say Erica herself say, okay, because I've been acting since, you're copying me, you want to be like me, this and that, why do you want to come and join a movie industry when you know I'm already there? She didn't do all of that, because it's not her business. Whether Nengi joined the movie industry or she has already been in the movie industry is none of her business. All both of them are trying to do is to look for their bag, their money. Who does it better gets the bigger pay. So there's no competition in this. They were only competing while they were in the Big Brother Nigeria house, because everybody wanted to take the money home, and of which none of them took it. It was a different person, a neutral person that took it. That notwithstanding, at least they got the fame, isn't it? It was not from Big Brother house that Nengi had to get this influencing skill, that she got this opportunity to become so known, and people are using her to as their brand ambassador, and due to her physical appearance, the grace of God upon her life, she's been favored, and whatever she put her hand into just kept flourishing, and it kept flourishing, and it kept flourishing. Whoever picked her as a brand ambassador kept selling. For those of them into sales, they kept selling, they kept making more, meeting more customers, making more gain. You understand? On the part of Erica, where she's branding, she brands very big companies, yes, very big and influential international companies, and they've all come out to give testimonies of how their brands became more sellable, like they made more sales, they became more popular, people have got to know them. That's why the other Crystal group even had to give a scholarship of 10 million naira to that school, due to Erica's influence on their organization. So these two people are doing their things in different ways, and God has been favoring them in different. God has been blessing them in their different manners, different ways. So they kept growing in the way that the Lord has destined for them. So I don't know why people keep coming to drag them. All right, guys, let me not talk too much. Let me just read out what after Erica posted those pictures and videos I showed you from the beginning of the video of herself, that she used Nengi's makeup artist. You know, Nengi's makeup artist is very good, and Erica's makeup artist wasn't doing justice to her face at all. I swear she wasn't, because Erica is very beautiful without makeup. She's very pretty. You can see her now, see her face. Very beautiful lady. I used to admire her while in the time. Then both she and Nengi, naturally beautiful without makeup. So the makeup artist wasn't really giving her that perfect face, because even before she went to the house, the makeup artist she was using then was very okay. I saw her picture before then. She looked so pretty. So now the new makeup artist she picked, which was Nengi's makeup artist, likes to make Nengi, or I think it's maybe Yons. She made Erica up. She looked so beautiful, so pretty, like she should. And she snapped pictures and posted them on Instagram and tagged the makeup artist that Nengi is also using, that made her up. So one of that Nengi's fan just came on the comment section and said some things. Before we go for that, guys, please subscribe to my channel. I've not forgotten to please subscribe to my channel. As you look down below right now, please, you see a red subscription button, click on it, and also beside it the notification bell. Also click on it so you always get notified whenever I post a video. Be the first to watch, like, and share, and leave your comments below. Thank you, guys. So let me read out what the Nengi fan came and posted under Erica's picture with the makeup that Nengi makeup artist made Erica. So guys, after Erica posted pictures of her on the makeup that Nengi's makeup artist made, that you can see the picture here on the screen, this is it, she looked so gorgeous. Then Beverly now commented and said, breathtaking, gorgeous, wow. And then Love Me Now 18 wrote that she came and replied to Love Beverly comment. She said, at Beverly, nothing is breathtaking here. You VVIPs should advise her to stop patronizing BB cause that lady don't really check her. In this world, nothing is sweet like working with people who love and appreciate you. There is nothing extraordinary to compare to how she always makes Nengi up. Can you just imagine? That there's nothing extraordinary to compare to how she makes Nengi up. But how is that her problem? This is Erica's face. That's her face came up. And I'm very sure it was Erica herself that picked the color of makeup she wanted. And she wanted something different she would give her. You can see the next picture here. She looked actually different. You can see the makeup. It's beautiful. So I don't know why people just like complaining over things. And I'm very happy at the reply that Erica gave this particular person. If you read it there, she just went forward and said, at Love Me World, shut up. Yes, with authority, shut up. How do you want to bring grudges between Nengi and Erica? They tell you they're beefing themselves. BB Youngs is a makeup artist. She's looking for her money. So whoever comes for her to make her up, she's not pinned to Nengi alone.